All right, YouTube, I got 2 new whiteboards. I want to show you guys. These are the 2 new ones. This is my current whiteboard I have, and I've been using for a while. I got another one over here, a very small one. And yeah, so these are 2 new ones I got. I actually got them for free. And you guys can see they are huge. So speak English. I am a big advocate on using whiteboards so you can write down your goals, your plans. So you guys can see here, I have 4 a.m. wake up, pray, team retention, read, workout, and then you count the days while you're doing it. Very good stuff. And then over here, I'll have very detailed instructions and plans I have over the month, yearly, monthly, weekly goals, monthly goals, yearly goals, short, long term, all that. So yeah, get a whiteboard, trust me.